mean, that close, that close to cracking his way into the field. Checking the wheelie bars, the final adjustment there before they roll them up into the meet. For Latino to get in, he's got to pick up 100th of a second. 100 to sneak in. Kenny Delco needs to pick up 200s. If they both want to get in, they're both going to have to run 6.53 seconds. .578, 210 miles an hour, down in Texas. Number 17. It has been a bit of a struggle this year for Team McGahey, and I'm not telling you anything they wouldn't tell you. They run their own program down there in West Texas, do their own engines, their own horsepower development. And this has been one of those years when just close races go the other way, and the little numbers fall the wrong way. And you make the good run in the bad session, and it's been a bit of a struggle. They've been fighting their way through for Troy Coughlin. Set himself a solid car. That's one of the flagships out of Elite Motorsports. The iconic yellow and black for Jegs. Also working with the folks at White Castle. Troy made two solid runs yesterday. 6.500 was the first run, which put him number one after the first session. Garnered him a couple of those little qualifying points. 6.55 the second session. McGahey ran 6.55 twice. If he'd run 6.54 twice, he'd be in the field right now. Dallas Glenn sits on the bump spot. And Chris McGahey on the left side is not yet qualified. .532 for Troy Coughlin. That's a pretty fast tape. He's not going to move up. Rick Anderson, number one, Erica, number two. Obviously, if they could get a shot at Erica, if they being KB Titan guys, they'd love to do it, because the only chance that they have a win in the championship is there. .557 for Dallas, still healthy. Christian goes 6.553, 211 miles. Jerry Don Tucker on the left side, Eric Kramer in the right. The Outlaw, Mile High Light Beer. I like everything about that. Like Outlaws, like beer, like Denver. There you go. Everything about it. Remember one of the names on the junior dragster ranks? Here's Derek from Michael Heiner and folks. UB Titan Power on the hood of the green machine. Elite. The silver car. Jerry goes 6.523. That'll bring up Kyle Koreski. Big chaos. Maple Grove Raceway to Lucas Oil. Still wearing the pink for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Of course, Nitro Fish. KPK. He's the number 7 guy right now. Being number 1 last week. And Mason McGahey, who's just 15th with his 500, is number 2. Dallas Glenn at 6. Shows on the scoreboard, 654. Pro stock, 2 and 4 wheel, and that's the logo that's on the side of Matt Hartford's machine. Hartford, the CEO of Total Seal Piston Rings. If you have anything to do with the piston ring, Matt Hartford can make a better one for you. It's one of the most sophisticated racing engines on the planet. New pumps, new compressors. Decent. You name it, they can make it happen. Jag call. So good to see Jaggy back. Take a look at you since seeing Jaggy in a red car. If you haven't heard the story, that is Erica Ender's new car. He's going to be racing this one next year. He's hoping he'll have number one on the side of it. But they wanted to put some runs on it. I mean, you can go test until the end of time, but it's just nothing exactly like being on the same track, same conditions. At a national event, so they called Jake Coughlin and said, how would you like to come out of retirement for a couple of weeks? Jump at the team. The lady, stand power equipment guys, wanted to be a part of it as well. Now it's Horsepower Garage. You know, if you call a six-time world champion and go, hey, how'd you like to be my test driver, wouldn't you? Right? So would Richard. Matt Hartford, 6.5. Butler sitting in the number 6 spot right now. First run was throwaway yesterday, the second one. Solid 6.510. He just got bumped back a spot by Matt Hartford, who tied him for the last time mark, but Matt had better speed. Tied his thousands on each team. Beats the tiebreaker.
If it's okay to bother you, let me know.
Butler, 100 slower than Butler yesterday, which puts him 5 positions behind Butler today. The Rowell guys get a little help from the folks in the lead. Some of their cars run lead horsepower, some are on Iconio. Power under the hood. See Richard Freeman down there on the door. That should tell you where the engine in that car comes from. Bo Butler working with Jason Johnson. Johnson's Horsepower Garage. Another man to this. We'll fall in love with NHRA. Stepped up his back. 51.7 for Butler. Not bad, not bad. Ronda goes 6.5. Obviously, basically, more on their mind than just in and out for their finals here. They ended that route. Halloween in Las Vegas. I'm sorry. Behind the wheel from time to time. Make it out of Louisiana. That's the lead. Eric Stanfield, much like his dad. Him and helmet, point him in a car. Pretty good chance to get you in the winner's circle. 5.18 for Cameron Caruso, exactly what she ran yesterday. State number 8, 6.526. Erica, currently sitting in the number 2 qualifying spot. Johnson Horsepower Garage, Melling Reports, Stack Power Equipment, White Red Chevrolet. Kind of funny, I mentioned that Jake Coughlin is driving Erica's new car. I do believe they've had 5 new cars built for Erica. She hasn't got one yet, and she has been incredible since. Greg Anderson. More than 100 wins in pro stock, and he's the only man who can say that. For Rick Hendricks, HendrickCars.com, Summit Racing. And Greg has learned from Warren Johnson for so many years. A lot like Warren Johnson, in that if you want to get a hold of Greg when he's not at the racetrack, call the shop. But it's Sunday, he's at the shop. There's Thanksgiving, he's at the shop. It's his birthday, he's still at the shop. Greg's sitting number 1. He's the only one in the 40s yesterday. I'm not sure there's 40 out there. saw 6:51. We know there's 4 little points available, and somebody can run better than that. Take it away from Matt Hartford, who, by the way, 6:5:07. Greg Anderson, get her 4 more points. 211 miles an hour. Erica goes 6:51 at 210 miles an hour. They don't move, but they both make really good runs. And Greg, yeah, sure.
Sorry, I hate doing that when it's her advantage.
I know, it's okay, Shayla, it's okay.
Hey folks, Kellen Nitro here telling you about the newest way you can help support Nitromaniac TV's drag class. Called Members Only, and it is our official premium content wing of the website. For only $4.99 a month, you will gain access to exclusive video and early access to that week's content, all commercial free. Plus an exclusive discount code to the merch stand, exclusive members only live streams, and more to come. If you sign up today, you will gain exclusive access to check out the 5K subscriber special, the 2023 NHRA Rocky Mountain Nationals Whole Freaking Deal video, plus an early cut of what annually is our most popular title, Supercut, Pro Modified 2023. So join today, you'll never know what you're going to see on Members Only. Check it out today at tinyurl.com/drag.